Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Wix with AI in 2026. Want to build a Wix website faster than ever? Wix AI does the work for you. You just have to follow these few simple steps. So let's follow them together. The first thing you want to do is to start with Wix AI. You're going to go to wix.com and make sure to log in using your account. After that, you're going to click on Create with AI. You're going to click on Site here and click on Create a new site. And after that, you'll be asked to chat with AI. You can click on Chat with AI just like this and answer a few questions about your business. You can click, and as you can see, the AI asked me this question. Tell me what your site is all about. You're going to describe your business, for example, selling clothes. And I'm going to hit enter. And you're going to answer the questions. Then you're going to generate the website. Wix AI creates pages, layouts, and text, and also images. Also, you can customize events or contents. You can edit text with AI Writer, generate images with AI Image Creator, and adjust the design easily. You can do all this just from writing the answers and writing what you want. You can also use AI tools like AI SEO setup, AI email writing, and AI product descriptions. And the final step is to publish. Review everything, then you can click on publish, and then make sure to always review AI contents and customize for your brand, and don't publish without checking mobile view. And that's it. That's how Wix AI works in 2026. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.